Ding, fight him, big fish. About 7 minutes now. Or him, stuck him on cement crack. Already seen a coyote come up to drink water. And 2 jackrabbits at a distance. And look at Ping. He's just fighting that. What is he doing? I don't know what he's doing. First I thought he was fighting a fish, then I don't know. He's gaining whatever he's doing, he's pulling. He's probably got a big old tumbleweed. Unless he's got a catfish, I don't know. But he's doing something. He was fighting, I should have started recording earlier. He had his rod just all bent over, tugging, looking my direction like, help! He's looking at the water like, what am I got? What am I pulling up? I'm pulling something up. How can he have so much line out? I wonder if he's just snagged and pulling his drag. I think he's gaining. I don't know. I don't see nothing splashing. Oh, that was cool. We got jumpers. They're jumping, but they're not biting. Yeah, it's probably a carp. Come on, Ping. You can do it. Knowing him, he doesn't want to break his hook. But I see something moving up ahead of him. See that rod all bent over. He just looked at me again. Are you going to film me or are you going to come help me? Oh, there he goes. He's doing the reel up walk back technique. Oh, yeah, let me set the hook. Oh, very good, very good, very good. It's a hog. Look at it go. My arms are getting tired. Oh, they're so tired. Oh, look at that. It's a beast. Is he pulling? Or is something pulling? He keeps looking over the edge like, what's got my line? What is it? Let me try that walk back technique one more time. Let me walk back a little further. Get up on the road. That'll work. Nope, that won't work. Let me pull really hard. I got it. Come on. One more time. Ready? Come on. Nope. Let me walk him this way. Here we go. Get ready for it. He's gonna just slam it back. I'm good at this. She's got me. Come on. And I'm like, are you gonna help me or are you just gonna record me? I really think he's pulling against his drag. He's not. Doesn't look like he's getting anywhere. The way he's acting, he should have had about 300 yards of line out. Come on. Well, this is definitely to be continued. I'll probably have to go help him anyways. I'm still working on it. Look at that look. You got a big fish? I hear your drag. You're not getting nowhere.
I don't believe it. You don't even break. I'm trying. Try to pull it out. You still don't break it out.
That's because you're drag. You're not going to get nowhere. Your drag is too loose. You got to hold your line.
Yeah, just don't come out.
Yeah, I seen you. You've been fighting this for a while.
Yeah. What the? Fuck you there. You don't break it all. I'm probably gonna cut it out.
You want me to do it for you?
Yeah. I don't think you run it out.
Look at this. When you get snagged like this, reel down as close as you can to save so much line.
Yeah.
Put your hand right here.
Yeah.
And then break it off.
Oh.
There you go.
I just try to, I want to save all the line. I want to, just break where the hook is at.
Yeah.
Just don't come out.
Well, sometimes you got to do it like that.
Mm.
Now you got to retie a new hook. And those are all the way back over by the Jeep. The hooks.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's go back that way.
What do you mean, let's? I got bait. I got a hook. I don't need to go that way. Look, I got fish right here. I still have bait.
Big fish.
Well, yeah. That's what I'm here for. I want to catch something big. The sun isn't even up yet, and the fish are jumping. But nothing's biting, come on. The hooks are in the bucket. The hooks are in the bucket.
No, go with it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Get that.
I'll be here.
Okay.
I'm fishing.
Okay.
Just, no. I'm fishing. You gotta go get the hook.
Oh. Okay.
See you later.
Yeah. I had to move out of there. I got stuck in there.
Well, good morning. You gonna do some fishing? Looks like you got your lunch too. What do you need food for? We're here to fish. Wait for Ping to wait. Walk all the way back to the bait, and then I'll text him. Let's go. Alright, you send him a text. Let's go get different bait. Look at your phone, Ping. That means grab everything and bring it back. Did you get my message? Let's go get some different bait.
The big one.
Don't be afraid. Go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. I see that sandwich. Look at that sandwich you're hiding.
I'm not eating.
No, go ahead. I won't say nothing about you eating, man. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead.
No.
Yeah.
I'm good.
No, you're not.
Right
You
now.
need that food. That's why you got it in your head. You got it. Look at that. You try to hide it. What road? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Go get the corn.
I will after you eat. Go ahead. No, don't close the bag.
No.
Don't close it. Eat that sandwich. Go ahead. All right. We ain't got more bait. We're back. I'm trying to catch a carp. Something, anything. On my little ugly stick. Wonder how long I have to wait. Look who's eating. When they should be fishing. Look, he's trying to pretend like I'm not eating. Oh, I can't see him. Sun's in my eyes. Yeah, he's eating. He's got food in his hand. Where'd he go? Man, the sun is killing me. Look, is he still recording me? Is he still recording me? He's gonna hide his food. He's gonna hide his food. What was that? It's the third time we've moved. Still not a bite. I don't get stung either. Get away from me. I got stung 2 weeks ago. This little guy. Swimming against the current. Get away from me. Jeez. Hey, Ping. Hey. You can rinse your hands off with this now. It's wet. That old t-shirt? Hanging on the trash can? You can wipe your hands off now. Go ahead. It's wet.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go clean your hands. No, use my ice. Don't use my ice. Go use that rag over there. You can wipe your hands off on that rag.
Because I use that warm for the bed.
Oh, it's warm. It's warm. Go ahead and use it. It's warm.
Yeah.